Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great weekend so far. I'm sure by the time you guys see this, it'll be Monday or Tuesday, so hopefully everybody is having a great beginning of their week. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of a homemade burger that I just made. The buns are Hawaiian buns. This is the first time I actually tried it with a Hawaiian bun for myself that I made. It has tomatoes, lettuce, onions, bacon, cheese, mustard and mayo. It's everything down there or whatever. And the meat or whatever is right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. And I also have some Lay's chips and a beer, and I also have a Canada Dry. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it to that, so yeah. It smells good, I know that. Takes the first bite. I always like a lot of mayo and mustard on my stuff whenever I'm making a burger. It makes it better. I didn't know I seasoned it that good. Good shit. I love a good homemade burger. I'll pass it up any day for restaurant burgers. So good. I'm not gonna be releasing no talk on this video because it's so good. I was gonna delay in making the burger for probably the middle of the week, but I didn't feel like making a salad and I didn't really feel like being healthy, so I actually decided to make a burger. Jeez. I wish I would have put some more mustard and mayo on it. But yeah, this burger is off the chain. Dang, burger off the chain. I didn't know I seasoned it this good. And I kind of switched it up on the buns this time. But I want to try something different or whatever. Some of my coworkers were telling me about it and they were saying they be putting, what's it called? Hawaiian buns on their burgers when they be making burgers. So I was like, I never heard of that. Let me try it. It's a pretty big burger. Got some more bacon in it, huh? Good. Good. Today I got to see my mom. She came up, well, I asked if she wanted to pick up some burgers or something. She said, I got to see her or whatever, because we were supposed to, I think, meet up next week or whatever. But I invited her over for some burgers or whatever. And she ended up taking some back to my brothers, so hopefully they liked it. Good as heck. Dang. That was good as heck. But today, I didn't really do anything. I went to go wash a little load of clothes or whatever at the laundromat, and I'll say bye. Sad case, they still didn't fix my washer. Well, they're not gonna fix it or whatever because they don't have nobody to actually work on washer and dryers. It came with the freaking apartment, but the new management did hire somebody to work on washing and dryers. So, I'm still waiting on them to come move, well, get this washer and dryer out here so I can have it off my lease or whatever. And so I can bring another one in. The people that I'm dealing with, where I'm trying to get the washer and dryer from, they said they actually pay another fee or whatever for them to even touch it. The washer and dryer that's in here, so I'm just patiently waiting. It's been 2 weeks going on 3 weeks, so. I ain't about to hear these bags of chips getting smaller and smaller. You see what these chips had no chips in it, just a bunch of air. Just basically a bunch of air. No chips at all. Yeah. My maintenance finally came over here to fix my disposal. The only reason they came was because it was leaking on my next door neighbor's stuff, whatever. When it exploded, I guess today I didn't notice. I didn't hear any water dripping or whatever. But next door neighbor came and knocked on the door and said, "Yeah, something leaking." I didn't know. I didn't expect it. I just thought my disposal was broke. I didn't think it would just stop functioning, and that happened. My disposal stopped working last Tuesday. They wouldn't have came on a Sunday if people were, or if I wasn't, well, people downstairs wasn't complaining. Just BS. I went up there. Well, I went to my property management or whatever Saturday, and the woman said basically she was gonna take my name down and my number or whatever, and she can't answer any questions because she's a new worker or whatever. That was her first day, and she didn't have nobody in the office with her. That didn't make logical sense to me. And then she said she'll have the property manager reach out to me Monday. See how that's gonna work. It's a bunch of BS. I don't understand. Just don't understand a lot of stuff dealing with these apartments. I wish I would have made all these burgers. Well, I got like 3 pounds of ground beef or whatever, 80-20%. I wish I would have just made all the burgers, all the meat or whatever, but I'm saving it to make some tacos probably later on this week. I only use half. Oh, yeah, I'm satisfied, I guess. But I did go see, I didn't go see it in theater or whatever. But I did watch it on my TV. I ended up watching Lion King. It was interesting. It's basically what I expected it to be. I'm just somewhat glad I didn't pay for it. I expected more from Beyonce or whatever. Like, when the last time she played in the movie, when the last time she actually was playing acting or whatever. Acting is, I feel, it's not really her thing. I guess it's just her as a performer as far as singing and whatever, dancing. After all these years, and I just wish it could have been better from Beyonce. But it was okay. I expected everything to happen or whatever. Pretty good graphics or whatever. Yeah, it was enjoyable, whatever. I'm not for sure compared to the Lion King that when it first came out, the first Lion King, at least. But yeah. Not even for sure if it would compare to that. But hopefully the kids that's watching this Lion King basically got the same experience that I got when I first watched the Lion King that came out in the 1990s. It was alright. That's not what I expected. I can say that. I should have made a lot of burgers. I would have ate another one. Good. I was trying to savor it a little bit, but might as well eat it. No, for me, I never was a big. I was thinking about the whole Lay's brand or whatever. I've never been a big fan of trying all those different kinds of Lay's or whatever, like the chicken and waffles. That's the stupid flavors that Lay's been coming out with. I would always just stick to the basics, either the sour cream and onion or the barbecue or just the regular ones. I can't picture myself eating all those different kinds. Nah, But then again, I have tried the biscuit and gravy one, I think. It wasn't that good. Like a long time ago. Stick to regular flavors. See how things change. I don't remember bags ripping so easily when I was younger. Things used to be durable and stuff. Mm-hmm. But yeah, that was my little mukbang of my homemade burger. Oh man, just preparing myself mentally to go to work tomorrow. I'm not bored. This weekend just went by so fast. Just need to hit the lottery. I'll be good. I don't even play the lottery. But hopefully you guys had a great weekend and having a great rest of your Monday or Tuesday. I'll talk to you guys later on the next video. Take care.